Almost no real estate activity in 4S Ranch. Stick around to the end to find out what's going on. Hello and welcome to Neighborhood Real Estate Update for December 19th, 2023. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you continue to get these updates. Let's jump right into it. Looking at what's happening in 4S Ranch right now, only four active properties, and those have been on the market an average of 38 days. We've got two of them here that are really sticking around, and so that is definitely increasing this average days on market. And then two of these properties are the Alva Road condos, so those are not really even like the other properties in 4S Ranch. They're just out there. It was an apartment complex that got converted years ago, and anyway, so that's those are kind of, one of those is really hanging around, and then this house on Classico Court is really hanging around. Got to make some marketing or price adjustments to get those sold. Sellers, if you price it well, it will sell. And if you've got a house to sell in 4S Ranch right now, look at the average time for the pendings, 20 days. It will not take long to get your house sold if you price it well out there in 4S Ranch right now. Give us a call to find out all about that. So 20 days on average for these four pending, so just almost no real estate activity whatsoever in 4S Ranch for the last 30 days. Four, that's just, it's an anemic number, and then six closed in the last 30 days, which is, again, a very low number. But the county is overall very low. November was extremely slow, the slowest month that San Diego County has seen in over 30 years, and the media will catch up and tell you that sooner or later, but I'm telling you right now. So we had three smaller homes that sold. Looks like, yeah, there's a townhome and then two other smaller homes and then three larger homes that sold. Average market time on the solds, 17 days. So looking at the longer chart here, 4S Ranch obviously way above the San Diego median price. If you go back to January of 2020, the median price out there in 4S Ranch was $1,279,950. And then the rest of the county peaked out about here around $905 for detached properties in, well, actually the rest of the county peaked out about here, March of 2022. And then 4S Ranch really peaked out here at 2.392,500, although the activity's been very low. So these data points are kind of all over the place. But if you look at the basic trend line, the median price in 4S Ranch has been bouncing up and down around this $2 million mark ever since the beginning of 2022. Really, it climbed up, really high and then really low here, but that's just, again, a lack of data. But if you look at the overall trend, the line keeps bouncing off this $2 million mark, and again, we're up a lot from last month. But this is just due to not that much data to see. But $2 million is roughly the median price out there for a very long time. So if you've got a place to sell in 4S Ranch, now is the time to do that before a lot of competition starts building up. With interest rates going down, a lot of what's going to start happening now is the pent-up seller demand is going to reveal itself in the marketplace, and it's going to create more inventory, and that is going to create more competition. So way better to have your home on the market with less competition than more. We'll be able to command a better sale price at that point with less competition. So anyway, that's what's going on in 4S Ranch right now. If you like this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we will be back later this week with another edition of San Diego Market Watch, and then probably take a few days off for the holidays. Tune in on Thursday. I'll be wearing my Santa hat, and we will talk to you then.